Chicago is a vibrant city renowned for its breathtaking architecture, featuring iconic skyscrapers and historic buildings. Its rich cultural scene includes world-class museums and theaters, while the bustling nightlife offers diverse dining and entertainment options. With so much to explore, Chicago guarantees an unforgettable experience for every traveler. For travelers seeking opulence, Chicago offers luxury hotels that set a high standard. The Waldorf Astoria and the Ritz-Carlton are renowned for their exceptional amenities, including spa services, fine dining, and panoramic views of the stunning city skyline, ensuring a lavish experience during your stay in the Windy City. Boutique hotels in Chicago, such as Hotel Allegro and Indigo Chicago, offer travelers a distinctive experience unlike traditional accommodations. Each property showcases unique decor, local artistry, and personalized service, reflecting the city's culture and charm, making them ideal for visitors seeking an authentic, intimate atmosphere during their stay. For travelers on a budget, Chicago offers excellent options that don't compromise on quality. Establishments like HI Chicago Hostel and Freehand Chicago provide affordable accommodations with essential amenities, fostering a friendly atmosphere. These budget-friendly stays allow you to enjoy the city's attractions without straining your finances. When traveling with children, family-friendly hotels in Chicago, such as Omni Chicago Hotel and Marriott Marquis, provide spacious accommodations and amenities tailored for younger guests. These properties offer easy access to popular attractions, ensuring that families can explore the city comfortably while creating lasting memories together. Business travelers will find Chicago accommodating with hotels like Intercontinental Chicago and Hyatt Regency, designed to meet professional needs. These properties feature state-of-the-art meeting rooms and conference facilities, allowing for effective networking and collaboration, while also ensuring comfort and convenience for a productive work-related visit. For travelers seeking unique accommodations in Chicago, options like the Chicago Athletic Association Hotel and Waterfront Airbnbs offer exceptional experiences. These distinctive stays combine local character, historical charm, and inviting atmospheres, ensuring guests enjoy memorable visits while immersing themselves in the city's vibrant culture and lifestyle. To ensure a successful stay in Chicago, consider essential booking tips. Focus on key factors such as hotel location, available amenities, and guest reviews. These elements will help you select the perfect accommodation that meets your needs, enhancing your overall experience in this dynamic city.